Okay, this is Dustin, your specialist. Hey, guess what this is? It's Arctic Fox by Northwood. So we actually have a group that's called Outdoors RV, and I don't remember how many owners we have in that group yet, but I just wanted to go ahead and say, thanks for bringing this one in. It actually just got purchased by some customers that were formerly Grand Design owners. And if you haven't joined that group either, we have 39,100 members in that. But we're also trying to grow our Arctic Fox and our Northwood group, which is Outdoors RV. So stay tuned for more. This unit came in for a wheel bearing pack and I think some general inspections on it. Overall, it's in good shape. The guys did find out that some of the seals were blown on the brakes and the brakes were contaminated. So we just got done putting that down out of the air and getting it all retorqued and ready to go. So they're gonna have to make sure that you watch our video where we show you how to burnish the brakes, excuse me. And we use the Lippert videos. It's the best one. But every one of them makes it. Dexter, Alco, all the Axle, all the brake manufacturers show you how to do that. It's pretty simple overall. I need to go and check with my guys, let them know that this window's open so we can get that closed for the customer, and we'll get back to it. So hopefully once you get this bad boy back, you go out. This is a lot bigger than the prior trailer, and really like this brand. We actually do warranty work for both Northwood and Outdoors RV. So if you have one of those lines, you can come see us if you have a brand new one. And we'll stay tuned for more. Thanks so much for watching.